Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Oppo mobile split screen setting, how to use split screen on Oppo mobile. In this video friends we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to use split screen setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo mobile. So friends, on your Oppo mobile, click here tools setting. After on tool setting, as you can see this type interface on your mobile, navigation settings, screenshot settings, screen recording setting, smart sidebar. Once you want to use smart sidebar setting, you can enable smart sidebar and you can use your floating windows. Friends, click here split screen setting and friends on your split screen. After on split screen, friends click here swipe up with three finger to enable split screen. After enable friends, come back. Friends, open your any app. Example guys, I will on YouTube app. Hence you want to use two screen, use your three finger, split your screen. After split screen friends, one more setting or one more app you can use. Example friends, you want to use Play Store app, so you can on. First of all guys, I will on Wi-Fi, then friends we will on. Friends, you can see with phone setting we can use YouTube app. After on Wi-Fi friends, I will close this app, and friends I will on guys Google app, Play Store app, any app friends you can on. Friends, you can see with Google app friends we can use YouTube app on mobile. So like that friends, we can use dual screen, we can use split screen setting on Oppo mobile. So I hope friends you understood how to use split screen setting on Oppo mobile. And once you don't want to use your split screen setting, so friends click here and you can remove your split screen also. Friends, open your phone setting again. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click here tool setting again, split screen setting and off split screen. After offense, you cannot use dual screen on your device. You can use only one screen at one time. Friends, you want to on dual screen means you want to use split screen setting on your device. So friends, again open your phone setting and you will have to on your split screen. Then friends, again you can use two screen on your device. After on, click here swipe up with three finger to enable split screen. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.